Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to make your shopping experience easier. Today, we're looking at one of the best lights for kids' bikes, the TINANA 2-tire pack LED bike wheel lights. Whether you're cycling in the city, on a trail, or just enjoying an evening ride, these ultra-bright LED lights will not only make your bike stand out but also ensure you're visible to everyone on the road. These LED bike lights are perfect for both kids and adults who love riding their bikes at night. With 20 ultra-bright LED lights in each pack, you get amazing visibility, making sure your bike is noticeable from all angles. This feature makes night riding safer, as you'll be visible from a distance, even in the darkest conditions. The lights come with two working modes, steady and flash. All you have to do is press the power button to switch between modes depending on your preference. It's a fun way to light up your ride while staying safe at the same time. The TINANA LED lights are not only bright but also designed to withstand tough weather conditions. They are IP65 waterproof, meaning they can handle rain or snow with no problem. Whether you're riding through a light drizzle or caught in a downpour, you don't have to worry about damaging your lights. Plus, with a long-lasting battery life of up to 8 to 10 hours, these lights will keep shining through your entire ride. It runs on a single AAA 1.5 volts battery, which is not included, but once you insert it, you're good to go. Installing the lights on your bike is incredibly easy. The lights fit most bicycles with standard spokes, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and hybrid bikes. No tools are required, so you can easily set it up yourself. All you need to do is place the battery inside the case, secure the case on the wheel wire, and wrap the LED string around the wheel. It's that simple. Another great feature of the TINANA LED bike wheel lights is their durability. The lights are securely attached to the spokes, so there's no need to worry about them falling off during your ride. They also don't affect the cycling speed or the bike's gravity force, making them ideal for smooth rides. Plus, kids will love the colorful, flashy look they give their bike. It adds an extra layer of fun and personality while providing extra safety. These LED bike wheel lights are perfect for those who enjoy riding their bikes at night and want a safer, more visible ride. They're easy to install, durable, and waterproof, making them a great option for both casual cyclists and avid bikers. Thanks for watching this review of the TINANA 2-tire pack LED bike wheel lights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new product review from Product Critique. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.